How to fix Google Chrome redirects. If Google Chrome keeps redirecting you to unwanted websites, this video will show you how to fix Chrome redirects and stop unwanted pop-ups. First, open Google Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Next, click on Site Settings and scroll down to Pop-ups and Redirects. Under Default Behavior, select Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. You can also manage permissions for individual websites if needed. If Chrome is still redirecting you, go back to Settings, select Reset Settings, and click Restore Settings to their original defaults. Confirm by clicking Reset Settings. If the problem continues, your computer could have unwanted software or malware. Run a scan using your antivirus software or Windows Security to check for threats. After completing these steps, Chrome should stop unwanted redirects and pop-ups. That's how you can fix Chrome redirects and stop unwanted websites from opening automatically. If you find this video helpful, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.